Hello, my friends from YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the charging port that doesn't work. So we are gonna try to fix it without removing the charging port. Okay. So let me show you this phone doesn't turn on, doesn't charge anymore. So let's try to fix it. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your devices. This video is for education purpose only. Thank you. This is what I'm gonna use, a toothbrush, and I'm gonna try to clean it inside, and I'm gonna use pure alcohol. Okay, make sure you use pure alcohol. Don't mix it with water. So we're gonna spray it. Sometimes it has a little grease in there or dust, and that's why it doesn't charge anymore. But sometimes you need to replace the charging port, sometimes you don't. So I hope this time we don't have to. So make sure you get in there. One more time. Okay, so now, okay, let's try now. Okay, let's see. You see, right now it's working. Right now it's charging. Okay, so that's the way you fix it when your charging port doesn't work. Not always gonna fix the problem. Okay, sometimes the charging port is damaged, and then you have to replace the whole part. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the part that you need to replace. Okay, so I'm gonna make a video how to replace this part. This is an iPhone 6, and it's kind of old, but it's still a good phone. And like in this time, like I said, it was only dirty. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video, and give me a like, subscribe. Have a nice day.